What's up? Welcome to another episode of Mark II Golf Stories, and today's the day. The Golf's off to the body shop to get itself repaired. It's getting that scuttle panel replaced and it's getting a few bits of rust replaced. So with that said, let's have a little look at the rust and see it go and say bye bye. Rust, 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 rust. So there we go, off she goes, off to the body shop. Hopefully we'll get her back soon and she'll be free of rust and solid and looking good. That's it for this episode then. So join me next week when we get her back and see what she's like. See you then.